Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can open YouTube Desktop on your mobile device, just like on your computer. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments after watching the video. And let's get started. So, first of all, open up your Safari browser. Then in the search box, type youtube.com and follow the link. This way, you will open YouTube in your web browser. But then, to go to the computer version, click at the bottom on this AA sign here. Then select Go to the computer version of the website. And as you can see, instantly you're going from the mobile version to the computer version. So you can continue to use YouTube as you like. Friends, I hope this video helped you. You saw how you can easily open YouTube Desktop on your cell phone as well as on your computer. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon, friends.